In a world where horsepower is just a suggestion, and brown is not just a color, it's a lifestyle, one car dares you to ask, what if Japan built a BMW? The 1981 Mazda 626 Coupe. It's brown, it's boxy, it's back, and it's bringing 1970s energy to the 1980s party, whether anyone invited it or not.
In 2018, Mark Johns of Burnt Rubber Soul found this rear-wheel drive Mazda 626 on Craigslist for $600. He flew out to buy it and drove it 3,600 miles with body rust, fender damage, and steering looser than your grandmammy's...
Hey! Can I talk to you for a second? We don't do that here. In Lemons, we respect grandmothers. What would your grandmother think?
Yes, sir.
I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. Anyway, he's been bringing the Brown Power 626 to Lemons for at least 5 or 6 years now. Up until recently, it was powered by a mighty 70 horsepower MA 2-liter engine. That's right, 70 horses. Presumably miniature horses.
In search of some bigger horses, they recently swapped the stock engine and they went to an Ecotec. They've got a 5-speed manual transmission because if you're going to be slow, you need to at least feel like you're doing something. And the suspension? Well, we've got McPherson struts up front, live axle with coil springs, and a Panhard bar in the back. Just like God, and probably Mazda, intended.
Good idea, oh Lord. Of course it's a good idea.
The wheels? Behold, the Koenig Panasport knockoffs. The only wheels brave enough to match the car's mythical 4x110 bolt pattern. A bolt pattern so obscure, even Mazda forgot it existed.
That's pretty rare.
Hell, these are 15x7s with 225 wide tires.
Does it need that much rubber?
No, but it looks cool, and that's 90% of racing.
Speaking of looks, let's talk aesthetics. This isn't just a brown car, it's 5 or 6 different shades of brown. For any enthusiasts of the color brown, this car is like Graceland. The interior looks like a Wes Anderson film set. Outside, homemade spoilers, a stolen BMW E30 grille, and the vibes of a 3 Series coupe drawn from memory by someone who once saw one without their glasses from across the parking lot. Mark traded an Imperial to get someone to build him a cage, but otherwise he did the rest of the work and theming himself. Why build a car like this? Well, Mark is a glutton for punishment, but he's also really brave and takes the initiative. The universe asked, who will bring a 626 to Lemons? Who? Mark stepped forward, but you all stepped back.
For shame!
He really exemplifies why we have nothing to fear but fear itself.
Hey, please get my permission before you quote me next time.
On track, this car, it leans, it moans. The steering has commitment issues, but once it settles into a corner, it's actually fine. Just don't expect to know where anyone is around you. Those cool fender mirrors, they're pretty much just decorative. They've had some minor setbacks here and there, but they've also won our top award, the IOE, with that old Japanese BMW.
I'm not sure I love that nickname. Something about the Japanese taking influence from the Germans just makes me a smidge uneasy.
Well, I guess I won't invite you to my Samurai Oktoberfest then.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?